everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about car tricks. These are some tips and techniques that can help you to get more out of your car, both in terms of performance and fuel efficiency. Tip number 1. Use the highest gear possible when driving. Try to use the highest gear possible. This will help to improve your fuel efficiency. For example, if you're driving on the highway, shift into 6th gear as soon as you can. Tip number 2. Coast to stops when you're approaching a stop sign or red light. Coast to a stop. This will save you fuel because you won't be using your brakes as much. Tip number 3. Turn off your engine when you're idling. If you're going to be idling for more than a few minutes, turn off your engine. This will save you fuel and reduce emissions. Tip number 4. Keep your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires can reduce your fuel efficiency and make your car more difficult to handle. Be sure to check your tire pressure regularly and inflate them to the recommended pressure. Tip number 5. Use cruise control. Cruise control can help you to maintain a consistent speed and improve your fuel efficiency. It's especially helpful when driving on the highway. Additional tips. Use the air conditioner sparingly. The air conditioner can reduce your fuel efficiency by up to 10%. If you don't need it, turn it off. Roll down your windows at low speeds. If you're driving at low speeds, roll down your windows instead of using the air conditioner. This will save you fuel and improve your fuel efficiency. Keep your car clean. A clean car is more aerodynamic than a dirty car. This means that it will take less energy to move through the air, which can improve your fuel efficiency. Get regular tune-ups. A tune-up can help to improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Be sure to get your car tuned up according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Conclusion: by following these car tricks, you can improve your fuel efficiency and get more out of your car. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Bonus tip: there are a number of apps available that can help you to track your fuel efficiency and identify areas where you can improve. Additional car tricks: here are a few more car tricks that you may find useful. Use your parking brake when you're parked. This will help to prevent your car from rolling away. Use the defroster to clear your windows quickly. If your windows are fogged up, use the defroster to clear them quickly. This will help you to see better and avoid accidents. Use your headlights at night and in bad weather. This will help you to see better and be seen by other drivers. Be aware of your surroundings. When you're driving, be aware of your surroundings and other drivers. This will help you to avoid accidents. Drive safely. Always drive safely and obey the rules of the road. I hope these car tricks help you to get more out of your car and stay safe on the road.